Welcome to Create, Cook, and Talk. I'm Shantae.
I'm Kaylee.
What are we cooking today, Kay?
Watermelon cake.
Watermelon cake. And who sent us this recipe?
You did.
I did. Okay. Again, it's mom inspired by me because this recipe is so easy. I think it should be a summer classic. And it's healthy, easy, elegant, and it tastes decadent. So yum. Anyways, what is this weekend?
4th of July.
And what do you know about the 4th of July?
It did for people who would celebrate Independence Day.
Oh, you're right. So another name for 4th of July is Independence Day. And did you know that the 4th of July is actually the birthday of United States of America?
I never know that.
You didn't know that? What do you think we celebrate? That's what we celebrate it and make it so big. And so the fireworks are kind of like the birthday candles, but we light up the whole sky because it's all of America. Wow, did you know that? And also, did you know it's because in July 4th, 1776 is when 13 colonies declared, which means they said, we want to be our own nation. And it became official on July 4th, 1776, and therefore it became United States of America's birthday. Woohoo! So it's going to be 244 years old this year. So we thought in honor of 4th of July, we would create watermelon cake and show you all how to do it. So let's go over the ingredients, right,
So
Kay?
we have
a watermelon,
strawberry, blueberry, whipped topping,
and
granola.
Granola. And also it's a small size watermelon, seedless, okay? So our first step is going to be, we need to cut off the end. So now let's hope I can do this. Oh, look, it's working. Yay. Okay, we're just gonna discard that. And then I'm gonna cut off the other end. And then basically you're cutting off the rind. So now I've cut off all the rind. What I thought I would do is just kind of even it out a little bit so it looks a little prettier. Just take off a few pieces and definitely take off, any of the white stuff that's not.
It's bad.
It's not that it's bad, but it's part of the rind, right?
Yeah.
So, and I did this rather than Kaylee using the knife. But I mean, obviously, if you've taught your child how to use the knife properly, it's just normally this would be like a bigger job for an adult, I would think. So to be for safety. Okay, now we're going to give Kaylee the next job, which is to pat it dry with paper towel. You can start patting it dry.
So I'm gonna pat this down with watermelon. Not too hard, soft.
Right. Okay, got it pretty. Let's do it a little bit more. Keep going all the way around because the reason we're drying it off, guys, is because we're gonna have the whipped topping stick to it. So, okay, now we're gonna put it on there. Now what you're gonna do, Kaylee,
Now I'm gonna
you're gonna frost it. So
Yes.
what I did, you all, was I had a little, if you guys have a little, you don't need this, it's not necessary, but I had it, so I'm going to go ahead and use it. I just put a plate on top of it, and so that it'll be easier for Kaylee to turn. Okay, so then all you do is start layering on like you're frosting the cake.
So we use whip.
Put it on. And all over the sides. Yep. Okay. Do it over here so the camera can see you. Do it on this side, babe, like you're showing Miss Di. Okay, just keep layering it up. All right, so now, okay, we're gonna keep, you have to get the frosting. Okay, so now we're gonna put it on there and just gently smooth, right? Okay, now let's look at what we're doing. We wanna have a top. We're gonna take this and just go up the side, okay?
Okay.
So show me. Go up the side. Gentle. You don't want to go too deep into it or you'll take off the frostings. Gentle. See? Gentle. It's like frosting a cake. Or if you've never frosted a cake, this is how you do it. And see how I'm gently turning the thing? Okay. I think that's good. Let me smooth out the top a little bit. Okay. Now, move this out of here, and now you can gently, you have to cup your hands and kind of throw it on, not on the top, just on the sides. Not throw it like here. I'll show you one time. Kind of just, okay? You're gonna put it, pat, not on the top, I said, on the sides. You're just gonna pat it. This is crushed granola, you guys. And we'll just, go ahead.
Let me pass it down.
No, it doesn't look pretty yet, you guys, but it will.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
And we'll clean up our plate at the end.
We're like practicing.
We're not practicing, we're doing it on TV show. Oh, you're so funny. We're practicing. We're practicing so you all can see. All right, got it? Does it look like it's pretty good?
Yep.
Got a few, it's falling, but you can clean it up.
And next,
Okay.
I'm gonna put on the blueberry.
Yep, I'm just, oh, and you guys, I forgot to tell you, but I added a baking pan or a baking sheet underneath this so that I knew there was gonna be a mess and I don't wanna have to have a big cleanup. So I went ahead and did that so we could kind of just, all right, so now, okay, you can start decorating the top however you would like. Now remember, it's 4th of July. Okay?
Okay. So you put the blueberry on top of the watermelon cake.
Yep, and a design. How if we put this one in the center
Good idea.
and then go around it? Kind of have to do a design if you want to. Or you want some more smaller ones around? What do you want me to do? Or do you want to just do it yourself?
I want to do myself.
Okay. You got to put them in a design though, no? Go ahead. Yeah, it's hard when you're the mom not to be bossy, isn't it?
Don't worry about it.
Oh, you're used to it?
Mom, what to do? Tell me what to do.
Oh, your mom likes to tell you what to do. Yes, your mom does. Okay, put some more. Can I put some strawberries on there?
Yeah. If you want mom, you see how she is.
You see how your mom is? Is your mom bossy?
Yeah, you can't do that. Can't do that.
Okay, be nice. We're on TV.
Now
Okay, so let me wash my hands. Okay, to make our celebration more fun, go ahead and put it in, Kay. We're going to
say
what is this?
the watermelon cake.
Right, but what are we doing?
And we're gonna say Happy 4th of July.
We added a sparkler.
Woo!
I wanted to let you all know to make sure you refrigerate it maybe for a little while, at least an hour or so the whipped topping hardens up a little bit and everything stays a little bit firm. But I did want to let you know that it travels pretty well. I've kept it in the refrigerator overnight and then brought it to my mom's the next day, and everyone really enjoyed it. So what'd you think, Kay?
I like it. If you have another recipe, can you give us a thumbs up if you like our recipe? And can you send it to my mom and me for next time?
So we can cook something next time, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, wishing everybody a
Happy 4th of July. Be safe out there, guys. And
create, cook, and talk. Encourage learning while creating yum. We'll talk to you soon.
bye.
Bye.